Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another hair video. As you can see right now, I'm just going in to put my leave-in conditioner because my hair is very dry. If I say dry, I washed my hair 2 days ago and I just kind of put some oil inside. That was it, and it was just dry. So I was like, I need to put in some leave-in conditioner. So right here I went ahead, I took some of my edge control and I just put it in the rows so I can be able to divide the hair better. As you can see, it's looking very good, very good. My hair has been growing like crazy. Like honestly, it has just been growing. I'm thinking if I should cut it again or if I should just grow it. Anyways, I'm just holding my hair in one before I can go in with my gel. I like doing this better because it helps me to grab the hair better. So now I'm just going in with my gel. I'm just gonna take my time and just put it all in. I usually don't use gel, but because my hair is not perm, so I decided to use gel, and I'm going for a very different look today, something different. Like I just kind of felt it. I was like, you know what, I should do a nice ponytail with like a finger wave on the side and just make it different. So that's the feeling I was going for. So I was like, you know what, it's best I use gel because of the look I was going for. So now after I finish putting the gel in my hair, I'm just going back in now and just holding the hair really good. And then I'm gonna go back in with gel again, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair. After I finish doing that, I like to go in with my holding spray. You guys should try this. I'm telling you, this is one of the best things I have ever tried. Like if I put gel in my hair and I put the holding spray in my hair is not so hard, because you know sometimes the gel makes your hair so hard. So for me, if I do this, it works well for me and I love doing it. So now I'm just blow drying my hair, and then I'm gonna start to do the side of my hair. So now I'm just taking my time putting the gel on the side of my hair. The clip I have for the finger wave, I accidentally deleted. I don't even know how that happened, but I accidentally deleted. So I'm sorry guys. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then after I finished doing that, I was doing the baby hair in front of my hair. I'm not too much of a baby hair person, so after I finished doing my whole head, I end up taking this out because I didn't like it. It just didn't match with the whole hair I was going for, so I end up taking it out. So as you can see, oh my god, this is looking so neat, this is looking so nice. And I'm gonna go back in again with my holding spray. Like I said, I'm putting the holding spray in my hair so my hair can be too hard, and then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and just blow dry everything to make sure everything is dry, because this hair is gonna stay at least a week on my head. That's the time I think I'm gonna keep it in. I'm gonna try to keep it in longer, but if not, it's gonna stay in for at least a week because I know how to do my hair, and you know I can change my hair anytime. So yeah. So this is the hair I am using. I'm gonna put the name in the link in the description bar. This hair is a synthetic hair. It feels more like human hair in a way, but I think it all depends how you take care of it. I am using 2 pack of this hair. This is a deep curl, deep wave, or deep wave. That's what I'm using today. I'm just taking my time and wrap it around. If you like, you can use only 1 pack, but for me, the look I'm going for, I like my hair very full, so I end up using 2 packs. This hair is a 18-inch. I was trying to find at least 14-inch, but I couldn't find a 14-inch. I end up getting a 2 pack of 18-inch, and at the end I'm going to cut it because of the look I was going for. If you like, and you don't have to cut it, but because me, I'm not too much a fan of like long hair like that. So this time I wasn't feel like to wear this hair long. So after I finish doing that, this is how the 2 pack is looking, exactly how I wanted. Honestly, I was so excited here. I was playing music in the back and I was like, yes, it's coming out exactly how I wanted. It's looking good. Your girl is gonna be, the summertime is already around the corner. So this is how it's looking. If you like, again, you can wear your hair like this, but for me, I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to cut it. So here I put the elastic band at the end to guide me to cut it so that it wouldn't be so hard for me, to make mistakes. So I'm just doing it right now. This is how it's looking. This is how I'm doing it. And then bam, you guys see that? This is what I'm talking about. And now I'm just gonna go in now and even it out and take all the extra hair from under and just make it look very good. Like you guys see, y'all can rock your hair like this if you want, but for me, I still have a lot more to do, believe it or not. So right here, I took another extension. No, I took the expression hair, and now I'm just gonna go back in again and wrap that around the hair because it wasn't giving me exactly the look I was going for. Guys, if it comes to my hair, I'm very particular about my hair. I don't play with my hair. That's why I learned how to do my own hair, because when I go to the salon, they don't do exactly what I want. But for me, I always like my hair a certain way, and I end up coming home and doing it again. So that's what I learned how to do my own hair. But anyways, this is how everything is looking. I'm gonna leave you guys here right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.